for joining me on the Lazy Brook farm today. I wanted to share with you a trick or two that I've learned putting on the 3-point hitch arms. And for those of you who haven't seen it, I'm going to show you how to quick disconnect the backhoe as well. So stay tuned. So I'm going to start at this end of the tractor and show you what I'm going to do before I do it, because the tractor's a little bit noisy and it'll just drown out the audio, so you won't be able to hear me. So come with me and take a look. So the great part about this is almost everything is done with the tractor's built-in hydraulics. You'll end up using the bucket itself and the lift arms to lift some weight off the mount for the tractor, and then you'll pull these pins here, one on either side, and then use the hydraulics again to just pick it right off and tip it away from the tractor. Then all you have to do is disconnect your two hydraulic lines and connect this line back into the tractor so it complete the loop and you can drive away. Then we just gotta disconnect the hydraulics and loop them back together. I normally loop my backhoe hydraulics back together just to make sure, keep any dirt out of there. Now when you first get your tractor with the backhoe, this will be in the box with the rest of the 3-point hitch. And unfortunately, to get this on, you do have to slide this bar out, which means removing one of these wheels. But the easy part is after you have it on, you can leave it on, and you just have to slide the bar just enough out so you can slide your arm in, slide the bar back the other way, and slide your other arm in. Again, this process is pretty simple. Slide the bar out just enough to get the 3-point hitch arm slid right through. There we go. Slide it out the other side and put the other arm in. And there we go. Now you've just got the simple process of installing your lift arms. Adjustable lift arm on this side. Grab the pin. Set it through at your desired point. Slide the pin in the hole. Line it all up. And there we go. Install your cotter pin and repeat the same process on the other side. Oh, almost forgot. Make sure you put a pin on the top link too. The very last part of the process is to install your stabilizer links. It's pretty simple. Slide the pin in, cotter pin in the bottom, spread the cotter pin if you can, and repeat the same process on the other side. And the process for taking this all apart again to put the backhoe back on is pretty similar. that's all there is to it. Now you can go hook your backhoe back up. So that's all there is to it. Nice and simple, didn't take very long, and the great part about this backhoe is it's hard mounted to the frame, so it's a lot more stable when you're using it. Thank you, and have a great day.